friends, welcome to Whiskey and Wit. I'm Whitney. In today's video, I'm so excited for because it is my 2020 fall home decor tour, so stay tuned. I absolutely love fall decor, and so this is a kickoff to one of my favorite decor seasons. Basically, the later half of the year is all of my favorite times to decorate for. My theme is Farmhouse. I do a lot of buffalo check and a lot of pops of orange, as you can see behind me. So let me show you around. A couple quick things before I get started. Now you'll see that my house is clean for this footage. However, I do have a 6-month-old little boy, so my house never looks like this, and I don't want to set up any unreal expectations. So just know that if your house is a mess, mine's like that 99% of the time. Also, I am a DIY channel, so if you see this little flag down in the corner, you can go down to the description box and find a link for the tutorial. Now it's time to check out all the fall decor. Let me know down in the comments if you want to know where something's from. There's just a lot of stuff, and it's hard to keep that all straight, so just let me know.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets, and yesterday has gone to sleep. All that's left is you and me. I can't promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me, and let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night, and time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. No one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. I guess I'm lonely, I'm starting to grow old, and I thought my youth would last forever. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you, because now I see we were meant to be. Where are you now? Heard you live far away, but just tell me where and I'll come see ya. Cause I'm afraid that I'll end up here alone. Hope you'll understand how much I need ya. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, cause all we had was us.
Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully this gave you some inspo for your own house for the fall season. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your theme that you're decorating with? Is it new this year? Is it something you've done for years and you just, like it? So if it's not broke, don't fix it. Let me know. Also be sure to follow me over on Instagram, because that's where I share a lot more decor inspiration. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!